Local advocates on both sides of this controversial issue are watching carefully to see what happens in Washington.
Today, the U.S. Supreme Court heard the first of two cases that could change the lives of same-sex couples in this country. Kumi Tucker is here with more. Kumi?
Benita, today was about Proposition 8, California's voter-approved ban on same-sex marriage. Tomorrow is about DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act. The outcome could have a big effect on many local families. Libby Post married her partner in October, but she says her family is not getting equal treatment under the Defense of Marriage Act.
When we go to file our tax returns, we have to do a joint federal return because that's what our joint state return is based on, but then we have to file separately on the federal level because our relationships aren't deemed as valid.
Today, the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments on Prop 8, California's ban on same-sex marriage.
From our supporters, they're certainly watching this case. They are concerned about future generations of Americans, and I think that this is not something we should trifle with very lightly, the fact that children need a mom and a dad, and so we have to be focused on that.
Tomorrow, the court will consider the federal law that prevents legally married same-sex couples like Libby Post from getting the same benefits as straight married Americans. It's a case involving a New York woman named Edith Windsor.
When her partner died, they got married. When her partner died, she had to pay $363,000 in inheritance taxes. If they were a straight couple, there would have been zero inheritance tax. And that's just patently unfair. And that's the basic discriminatory nature of the laws regarding lesbian and gay couples.
Many people consider the Windsor case to be one of the most significant civil rights decisions, cases in decades.
Attorney Terry Kindlin fought for same-sex marriage in the New York Court of Appeals in 2006, alongside New York attorney Roberta Kaplan, who is now a central figure in the DOMA case.
And here we are only 6 years later, and she's about to advance the same argument in our country's highest court. And it looks like she's going to win.
The Supreme Court justices are expected to issue their rulings in June.